What's up, Ultimate Ninjas Naperville? We're here for week 2 of the Youth League. I'm gonna warn you guys, this course is gonna be tough. The time limit is a little bit tight. We're gonna have a 3-minute time limit for this course. Remember, chalk is allowed at any point. You can have somebody following you with chalk. And just remember, incidental contact is okay, but you should not be kicking off the truss or kicking off the floor. Don't leave it up to the judges, but incidental contact is okay for this course. All right, so you're gonna start here on this red pad. You'll get the 3, 2, 1 countdown. When that timer goes off, you're gonna run, jump off the trampoline to the box. As long as your foot doesn't touch any of this blue floor here, you're good. Get up and over the box and land on this pit pillow. You will get 1 point for this obstacle. As long as you get over the box and land on the pit pillow, that will be your 1 point for this obstacle. You will continue this way. This Bosu ball is here for you to use. Do not touch the gray floor. Go straight to the Bosu ball. And you're gonna be going through the double pipes. Double pipes all the way through and on or past the tumble track. You will get your first point when you get to the top of the first side of the double pipes, and then you will get your second point if you can dismount on or past the tumble track. Moving on, you're gonna come this way, up onto this green box. You will start with the rope in your hand. You can use the knot, that's fine. You will swing to this rope, to the third rope. There is no knot in the third rope. The first two have knots, no knot in the third one, and then getting to the green box. You will get your first point if you can touch this rope, second point if you can touch this rope, and third point if you can make the dismount onto the green box. Your next obstacle is going to be the ring alley. You'll start with this ring, you'll have to jump or start within your hand, swing through the rings. You'll use these 2 rings to swing to this bar here, and then you will swing up to this cannonball, and then from the cannonball, you will swing past this tumble track, okay? On the cannonball, do not grab the eye bolt. If you grab the eye bolt by accident, make sure you readjust your hand immediately, and you will not get DQ'd. But if you're using that eye bolt or any of that strap, you will be disqualified. So, your first point comes when you get to the second ring. Your third point comes when you get to either of, or your second point comes when you get to either of these 2 rings. Your third point comes when you get to this bar. Your fourth point comes when you get to the cannonball. And your fifth point comes when you make the dismount. Moving on. Up to the black pad. Your next obstacle is going to be the monkey bars. You'll go through the green monkey bars all the way down to this black pad. You must get on or past. Do not land backwards. Your first point comes when you get to the top of the first side of the monkey bars, and your second point comes when you get to the black dismount. Moving on, now you will be at the warped wall. This is not the last obstacle, guys. You will choose which warped wall you want to run. Same points as last week. 8 foot is 1 point, 10 foot is 2 points, 12 foot is 3 points, 14 is 4 points. Now remember, guys, your time is running, so make sure you make a good decision about which wall that you want to run. Up and over. You must come down. This side, you cannot run down the walls, do not slide on the walls, using the green, using the ladder. Come down safely to this pad. You will come this way. Your next obstacle is going to be the Salmon Ladder. You will start from the blue floor. This Bosu will be here if you need it. You can use the Bosu to get here, or you can jump to it. You can request that the Bosu ball be moved if you're a taller competitor and you don't want to use it. Using the Bosu, you'll start on the first Salmon Ladder bar. You will make the transfer. This will be moved out of your way. You will make the transfer to the second bar, and then you will land in the green tape box. Once you're here in the green tape box, that is complete. So your first point comes if you touch this bar, and your second point comes when you land in the box. Okay? Next obstacle is rings to cannonballs to wing nuts. So you'll start with this ring. There's a stone here if you need a little extra height. You'll go to the cannonballs. Your first point comes when you get to the first cannonball. Your next point comes if you can touch this bar. And your next point comes if you can touch the PVC. Your next point comes if you can touch the wing nut. Your next point comes if you can touch the second wing nut. And your final point will come when you dismount onto the pit pillow. You must be on the pit pillow and not on the gray. Okay? Your next obstacle is going to be the shelves. You'll come up onto this black pad. Green shelves, you'll take the shelves all the way across. boom, 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 down to the black pad. You'll get 1 point if you can reach the top of the shelf on the first mod truss, and then you'll get your second point when you dismount to the black pad here. Moving on, you'll come around to the silver pegs. You'll get your first point on the silver pegs if you get to the top peg on the first truss, and you'll get your second point if you dismount onto this black pad. All right, moving on to your last two obstacles. You're gonna start on the blue floor, and you cannot touch any of this gray pad. You must use only the gray stones. You will run across the gray stones all the way through to this green pad. Every other stone is gonna be a point. So when you get to the second stone, you get a point. When you get to the fourth stone, you get a point. And when you get to this green dismount, you get your third point. So remember guys, this is points based. So if there's like 20 seconds left or something, make sure you try to make it here to this final obstacle, because you can get 3 points by running through this, okay? So make sure you think about the points. Once you make it to the green pad, you will use the cargo net. You can use any of these cargo nets that you want. Cargo net all the way over. And you must hit the buzzer before you touch the floor. Once you hit the buzzer, your time stops. This is a 1-point obstacle. You will get the point when you hit the buzzer, and then you can come down off the cargo net. All right, good luck guys. All right guys, so here's your full course run. This is gonna be harder to get a full clear than last week, so make sure you guys are moving quick. Here we go.